little brick. Truth time. Did it work? Yay! Look at that!
We have 8 right here.
You guys are working so hard. Don't you think we should get slushies later?
Yes! Wait, what?
Do you think we should get slushies later because you guys are working so
What?
hard?
Slushies! What? Yeah. What Mommy say? Slushies. What?
Slushies!
Huh? Slushies! Yes! Oh, my stomach.
So that was easy to put together. I'm going to put this $5 high heat spray paint on it because it has some spots. You can see down here that I'm worried about rusting.
I can't pull it anymore.
You need help? Okay, so the idea was in the videos, they drilled holes in the bottom and the top. I just cheated and got one with slats. So the idea is that you place the bricks along the bottom and you space them out like 1.5 inches or 2 inches, and that will allow the cool air to go in and rise up and warm up. I act like I know what I'm talking about. I don't know, but that's what's supposed to make it smokeless. Is this good payment?
Yes.
Will work for ice cream? Good. So I'm gonna put adhesive between each layer of bricks. Normally you would use one that's recommended for high heat. They didn't have any, so I'm just gonna go with heavy duty liquid nails. Put these down here. And then I'm going to glue, you guys, the kids are running in circles around me. I'm gonna glue just a couple dabs along the edges. Whoa, this is coming out super fast. What's going on around me? I'll help you in a minute. So I thought that if the edging went all the way around, I didn't want people to trip on that. So Clara had the idea, she's only 6, had the idea to make this come out like that. I thought that was really clever. So while I'm gluing the bricks around the fire pit, Marcello has this concrete repair mortar and is putting it in between the edging. Hopefully it will hold it together. What do you think? So I actually decided for the top, I'm going to use concrete. I don't know if it'll have any difference than the adhesive. I just have a feeling with my kids that maybe this would be stronger, and you saw them. So I'm also going in between the cracks and just hoping that this will reinforce it just a little bit more. I don't think anyone would hire me as a mason. but I think that this is sturdy and it's gonna hold together. I ended up using adhesive and concrete on the top. So, and here, I'll show you. What I did is I inset the top layer just a little bit so that it would hang over this. So now we're gonna put 1 bag of sand at the bottom. I'll probably use 2, but Florida has sand everywhere, so I figured just 1 would work. And then we're gonna put 2 bags of the gravel in there. A step. We're just gonna open up all these bags of gravel, rake them around. So we're done. Now the fun part comes. I'm gonna decorate tomorrow. I think we'll have, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I think we'll do a fire pit in the evening. I had so much fun decorating this space, so I thought I'd show you a little bit about the decor before I show you the nighttime. So I found these shepherd hooks, and I had these old lanterns, so I'll put battery operated candles in those. And then we used stumps that we had from a fallen tree, I think last year. And then I found these on Facebook Marketplace, and my daughter and I sealed them so that can be out in the elements part of the time, and then during the summer for us, because it's too hot in Florida, we'll store it over there by the shed. So that was this 3-piece set. Then I had an old lantern and a plant and some pillows, and I think it makes it a really cozy space. I forgot to mention that I found solar-powered string lights to hang up over. Overall, I'd say the space along the bottom as well as the fire ring does help to reduce the smoke. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and there's a full tutorial up on my blog.